Hi everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. So today's video is going to be about how you can make money sharing links. Now, does that sound too far-fetched? Well, I'm going to talk about that today and show you how it's possible for anybody to do this from any location. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. Now, if you're looking for the latest work at home job leads, you can come to the weekly job page. There are brand new work at home jobs. One of them comes from Reddit. They are looking for what's called an anti-evil operations specialist to work from home. Now I know you're thinking, what is that? What would I be doing? Well, you are going to help keep content safe online, and you would act on sensitive issues and troubleshoot or identify bugs. So they are looking for people that have experience either moderating content or with online communities or in social media or something like that, that can manage multiple tasks and is familiar with content moderation. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much the pay is, but if you're interested, make sure you apply online as soon as you can. There's also a work at home job that comes from Arctic Leaf. They are looking for quality assurance testers to work from home who live in the US or Canada. This is a long-term commitment. By that I mean at least 2 to 5 years. They're looking for people that can stay committed to them for that length of time. So if you're looking for a long-term stable work at home job, you could apply to this company. They are looking for you to test apps and websites for bugs, use different browsers to make sure that these sites and apps work, and also support individuals via inbox. So here you do need to have a love for technology, be familiar with Apple computers, devices, and have good customer service skills. Now, if you're looking for a non-phone job, you can try study.com. They're looking for online research and data entry assistants to work from home. They are hiring worldwide, so if you live outside of the US, you're looking for a legitimate work at home job, you can try study.com. You do need to have excellent research skills because you're going to be required to research college and university sites and then add the best contact to their online spreadsheet form. They do pay twice a month, and there are some other jobs here that you can apply to online, as well as some more that I posted yesterday. So I'm going to be talking about how you can make money sharing links online. Now, you may not know anybody who does this, but there are people that are doing this from home. This is an alternative way to make money from home. One of the companies that you could use is called Magic Links. Now, this is a company that has already established relationships and connections with a lot of retailers. Some that you're probably familiar with, some that you may have shopped at before. And so what they've done is they have this website where they've acquired these relationships with these retailers. And so if you promote these retailers or their products or items, and then if people shop there and make a purchase, then you will earn money. So here you won't get made simply just for sharing the links, but it's if people act on the links. Now, there are some companies that will pay you if someone just clicks on a link and they don't do anything with it, but I'll talk about that in a later video. But here you can earn money and you can earn a commission anytime someone buys something from a website. So you can see here, you can scroll down and you'll see all the different websites they have. Starts from A to Z, and then you can just continue to go to the next pages to see what other companies they have. Another way that you could search is you could just click in a name of a retailer that comes to your mind to see if they are here with Magic Links, or you could do so by category and scroll down and see the different categories that they have available. So if you are an intermediate internet user, by that I mean you get online and you read your email or you search for things online. You could even do that. You don't have to have any kind of coding skills or no HTML to be able to promote links online. All you need to do is to be able to have people or contacts that you can share them with. Now, it could be your friends or family, and you can send them a text through Magic Links because they do have an app where you can share those links to people or specific products. I'm going to kind of show you how that would work too. But you don't have to necessarily have a large audience or following to be able to make money sharing links. But if you do, that would be an advantage because that means that you have a lot of contacts. And so if you do, you could stand to earn more money with Magic Links. Now take note of the information that's listed right below the retailer, because here it tells you what their rating is based on Magic Links and how they would, be more geared to, they have a good reputation for paying the people that they work with, like you would be a creator. So they have a good reputation for making sure and ensuring that you receive your payment. So you would definitely want to take note of that when you're using that. 0 is the lowest, 5 would be the highest. And so they grade that on 12 different factors. But be mindful of that rating before you go to promote them, because this ensures that they're committed to rewarding you for sharing the links online. So here's how you can do it and get these different links through Magic Links. So once you sign up, which I'll have the link right below this video for you to sign up, it's completely free. If there's a company that you shop at or a specific retailer that you particularly like, or what your audience is looking for or things they may want or need, you can come here and promote them. Now remember, make sure you look at the ratings here and also the commission. Now if you're really focused on having a higher commission, the way you could do is screen out the ones and just show the brands with the highest commission rates. And so you see here there's 40% and then 35%, 30%, and then it would go up from there. Coach will give you a 25% commission rating. And so let's say you want to promote something from Coach. So this is taking you directly to their official website. Although you can't see what I'm doing from here, I can show you, because what you can do is just highlight the web address, which would be coach.com. You come back to Magic Links, and then you can create your links through this particular platform here. And so you can create a quick link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that website, coach.com, create a Magic Link, and there's the link that I would share. Now if there was a specific product maybe that I wanted to share from Coach, I could do that. I could just scroll down to see if there's a product, maybe it's a handbag or something like that, or shoes or whatever it is. Then I could do that too, and I could shop maybe the fall women's catalog to see what they have. They have lots of different things. So if I wanted to promote this bag, for example, just say that I did, all I'd have to do is highlight that web address, bring it back to Magic Links, come back, do a quick link, put that web address here, and then it's going to create the link for me. Really simple. Now, you can also do that excuse me, with a web browser extension that they have. And then they also have a Link Wizard app that makes it easy, as well as on a mobile app. So Link Wizard is another way. You could paste those products, and then they'll give you any product names that you see, Coach, whatever it is, and then they'll create links, and then you can get them below. And that makes it even easier, but it's really easy and simple. It's not difficult to do. You could also do this. Now, I started it, but I didn't finish it. And so you could just add different links here, drag products here, and they can make a whole page for you. Publish the page, and then you share it online with different links that you want to share. And any links that I've went to, Magic Links already has the links here inside the dashboard, which makes it easy too and nice for you to do. So again, you don't have to be an influencer necessarily with a whole lot of followers to be able to make money with Magic Links. They are open for everybody all over the world. In fact, if you go to QVC, because they are one of the retailers that they have here, so I could just type in QVC. And so this is the commission that I will get if someone, or if you were to promote this. This is how much you would get if you're going to promote QVC and then they buy a product from the link that you shared. So here, like again, it says, you can easily promote their links here, and I could just go straight to their website and then pick. I went here to their official website, and here they're giving you $10 off your first offer if you spend $25. So you just take the website QVC, go back to Magic Links, and then you can paste your link and they'll give you the link. I'll just do Link Wizard really quick, or a quick link, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do, and it's created the link for me, and then if I go to retailers, or if I was going to go to any page here, they'll have my links where I've already saved them in Magic Links, and that makes it nice too for you. But it's just another way for you to earn a little bit of extra cash. Now I will say that if you have a blog or a website, you can just incorporate links into your content. That makes it easy. So if you have just held off from having a blog or website up to this point, this would be one reason that you would want to give it a try, because you can promote different products. It doesn't have to be the home page. You could search for products in QVC and share them to other people, and then maybe write a whole blog post about it, or incorporate it in a post that would be related to the content that you're sharing with other people online. So this is like again I said, something that you can do in your spare time. It doesn't take a lot of time. See, I created these links really easily and simply. It doesn't take a lot of time. But the thing is, once you share these links, you really need to know what the people that you've shared the links with, what they want, what they need, what they, desire, or what they will use. So that's going to require for you to know your audience well. And sometimes it's trial and error. So you just have to share links and then go back and look at your stats to see which links are clicked on more and which ones maybe not so much, and then promote those, or promote products that people click on more. So that's a tip that I wanted to share with you too. You can also, I think it's important if you share links with companies and businesses and retailers that you've shopped at before, because you'll be more passionate about that. You know more about the product. You can give your first-hand experience about that retailer or products that they offer. It could be Bed Bath & Beyond, because they do have that retailer here. And so if you like some of the products that they offer, you could write a post about it on your blog, or you could just simply share those links on social media. Or if you happen to, be on TikTok or YouTube or anything like that, you can also share those links, or anywhere really. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. You could share them in a Facebook group or whatever, if that group allows you to do so. So these are just some ways that you can earn extra money. Now you may be wondering, well, how am I going to get paid? How does all this work? Well, if you're able to garner $50 from the month previously, then they will pay you that via PayPal on the first of the month. And so if you've earned more than that, of course they will give you that, but you have to have at least earned $50 in order for you to get paid. Now, this is something that you can do in your spare time, on the side. You know, when you think about it, there are a lot of well-known retailers here, like Target. You already saw QVC, you already saw Coach, they have Nordstrom. There's a lot of different retailers that people, Keurig, lots of different familiar, well-known, reliable, reputable retailers here that you can promote. So really, you just have to share these links with other people and get them to give it a try. Most people shop online anyway. They're going to shop at these stores. And so that's why they're giving you a commission, because really you're bringing them customers. And so you deserve to be rewarded for doing that. And that's what Magic Links will do. So remember, you can sign up anywhere. It's free. You get paid through your PayPal account. So if you don't have one, you will need to get a PayPal account. It's completely free. And this is just another way for you to earn money. Now, if you're wondering how much can you make, it really depends on you and how much you promote those links. They recommend that you do about $30 a month, but it's really up to you. But the top performers here, or creators, are able to make over $100,000 in a year. That's a lot of money. So I'm not saying you're going to make that much, but it's definitely worth a try. It's really up to you, and it depends on how aggressive you are, and also how targeted you are with individuals that you come in contact with. Once you know things they may be looking for, or you know a little bit about their interest, then it will help you to have a better conversion rate. So clicks, remember, you're not going to get paid just for clicks. There are some companies that will do that, and I'll talk about that in another video, but they will actually pay you if they click through and then make a purchase. So this is just going to require for you to be able to kind of figure out what people are looking for, what they need. A lot of times the things that people are interested in and they want to, get, they may talk about it on social media anyway. So this is just something you can do on the side for some extra cash, or maybe you can make it into a full-time gig for yourself. So again, it's simple to use. I'll have the links right below this video, as well as an article that I wrote to tell you how, give you more details about it. And so you can sign up right below this video, give it a try. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me those right below this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe out there. And I look forward to talking with you again this week really soon. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.